To change icon's color on the Redmi Note 14S, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you'll have to go into the settings, and from here you'll have to scroll all the way down and go for the wallpaper and personalization. Let's go in there, and from here you simply have to go for these icons. Let's tap on this one, and here you can change the background color for these icons. And here's the note that you can change the background color for compatible icons only. So as you go in there and select 4 of these available colors, the colors of these icons should change, and I believe it applies for the icons from the Google application. But as you can see right now, even though I selected the green color for the background color of these applications, none of the icons have changed their color to green. So I don't really know why it's not working. In the previous Xiaomi phones it was working with no problem. There might be some kind of a bug and it's not allowing these icons to change their color. I recommend you to try restarting your phone and see if these changes are applying, if it will work. But if it's not working, then I'm not really sure what's the reason for it to not work and not change these colors. But after you're watching this video, after couple of months after the release of this phone, there might be an update, a software update for the phone, which might actually fix this problem. But basically that's all I could show you. This is how to change the icon's color on the Redmi Note 14S.